Pass to Cortez. Cortez zigzagging the bomb. Fires bucket. Minama. Hit. In the back. Back leg. No look pass. What a Cebrano lace. Basket is good. And Valencia lace. Basket and one. And it's a jump ball. And drives. Natapikan. And pass break. Oh, pinasaan sa maling tao. 4-3. Bang! Favor. Will attack. Kicks out. 4-3. Bang! 3 points. Pakleb goes inside. The pass. Arquero inside pass. Pinabide basket and one. And the passes. So the middle. Post up. Picks. Fires. Bullseye. Puyut. And the pass. Cebrano lace. Basket is good. Cebrano. And the back. Back leg. No look pass. What? Arquero against De La Cruz. Sa gitna. Javier. Stops. Hugo's inside lace off the window. Bucket. Arquero now at the top. Against Cortez. And the beats to the up. To the middle. Bump. Fires. Bucket of the glass. Inbound. Kicks it out. Quinto. Open look far. Bang! 3 point. Oliver. Will bump. Bounce pass. Mata for 2. Very good. And now Harry. Hook pass to the middle. Fires. Very good. Rebound by Mata. Here's Quinto. The pass. Lees. Bucket. Cortez. Pakleb inside pass. Pass to Cortez. Cortez zigzagging the bomb. Fires. Bucket. Minama. Here comes Oliver. Oliver to the wing area. Mendoza to the middle. Bomb. Cortez. Pick. Fires. Bucket of the window. Cortez. And Valencia lace. Basket and one. Oliver now at the top. Goes to the screen. And the pass. 4-3. No good. And Pakleb. Inside pass fakes. Clutch fire. Bucket is good. Oliver now at the top. Behind the back pass. Inside pass. Mata fires. No short. Walang sumushoot dito ha. Baseball pass. Wala pa rin. Oliver. Corner. Quinto. Open look. Short. Wala pa rin. Set the play. Goes inside. Behind the back. It's Mata. Fires. Bucket. And here's Quinto. Bounce pass to the middle. Lees. Basket and one. Black Cruz completing the 3-point play. Bullseye. Here is Ginto. The pass to the wing area. And here's De La Cruz will dribble. Ginto bounce to the middle. Oh, bucket for 2. And the pass. Bounce, touch step. Lees. No good. Rebound. Javier at the top. Picks to the shot. Picks. Clutch. Lees. Oh, traveling to the moon. Ginto. Now at the top. Going to the screen. Cross pass. And Puyut bump. Lees. Bucket is good. Puyut. And number 5. And the discarte sa gitna. Lees. Bucket for 2. And the pass. And stolen. And the pass. And here's XYZ. Oh, Minegos. Basket and one. Oliver between the legs. Sa gitna. Puyot. Goes inside and lays. Nugget. And Puyot. Another one. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Pasok na. Oh, and the strong move by De La Cruz. Mata. Fires of the window. Bucket for two. Mata. Javier now at the top. Posting up. Goes to the screen. Javier, the pass. Please, Nugget. Sa tres. Stop picks. Fires of the window. Bucket. Nice move. Five. Spinning. Bump. Inatid. Spins, picks. Bounce pass. Stolen. Oliver. The pass. Ginto. Ginto. Step inside. He kicks out. He open look. Nugget. In the bounce pass. Oh. Easy two. Mata. Inside pass. Eto na. Wide open. 1-3. Bang! Ginto. And Pasamonte. Cabanas. Inside pass. Pakleb. Hook pass. Hicks. Sayang naman. And here's Ginto. Slowly dribbling the ball. Open. Fires at three. Bang! Back to back three. And at the top. Pasamonte. Number 9. Pass to the wing area. Kicks out. 0 for 3. Bang! Gianzo. Ginto. Pass to the top. Mata. Pull up J. Nugget. And Pakleb in hurry lace. Bucket. Pakleb. Here's Ginto. To the middle. Mata. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Cabanas dribbling at the top. Against Ginto. Bounce pass inside. Picks. One bump and fire. And Wasay. Spins. Fires. Nugget. Rebound para kay Ginto. Picks and fires at 3. Too strong. Fires. Parang pasa yun ah. Sebrano. Steps inside. Stops. Pull up jumper. Nugget. Arquero. Arquero. Pass to the middle. Will attack. Against Cortez. Full up J of the window. Bucket for 2. And at the top, Puyot. Took pass. Floater shot. Nugget. Sebrano. Stop on 3. Bang! 3 points. Backdoor inbound for Arquero. Team XYZ. Pakleb. Pakleb. Crossover. Penetrates. Triple slap. Rejected by Wasay. Sebrano bounce pass. Puyot lazy. What a pass and a finish. Here is Ginto. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. The floater. In and out and in. Wasay. Arquero. The side step and lays. Nugget. Rebound. The pass. Stop deep 3. Short. And here's Javier. The pass. Arquero. Gives inside the lace. Bucket. Arquero. Ginto. He stops at the top. The pass. Wasay the floater. Basket is good. Javier. Javier steps inside. He kicks out. Natapikan. Stolen. Sebrano. Sebrano dives. Rejected. Oh! For the inbound. Ginto. Inside pass. Natapikan. Stolen. And the pass. Is Javier open. Look well far. Nugget. Pakleb the rebound. And this was 1 second. Open loop. Bang! Cebrano. And Oliver. The passes to the wings. Mendoza holds the ball. Pass it to the top. And the pass to the wing area. And inside pass. What a find and what a finish. Inbound for team XYZ. Pakleb. Arquero the receiver. Arquero. Oop. Offensive foul. Cebrano at the top. The pass. Puyot. Post up. Kicks it out. Mendoza. Will drive. Kicks out. Open. Ginto. Bang! Ginto once again. Cebrano launches on 3. Bang! Cebrano. Pakleb. Goes inside. Rejected by De La Cruz. The receiver. Ginto. And here goes to the screen. And spinning. Open look up the top. Bang! Once again. Ginto. Cebrano the pass. Puyot fakes. And Ginto for 3. Negid. Rebound the pass. 1-on-1 with De La Cruz. Oh! Basket and 1 against De La Cruz. Javier. And here's Ginto. And Mata. Bump. Fires. Basket is good. Mata. The muscle. Number 9. Corner. Pakleb open for sa 3. Bang! Pakleb. Brano. The long pass. And release. Bucket. Mendoza. Pakleb. Pakleb nakalusot. Bounce pass. Valencia. Kicks it out. Javier. Javier goes inside, bump and fires off the glass. No, the pass. Floater shot short. Valencia. Libre easy bucket. Valencia. And Cebrano. Stop deep 3. Bang! Cebrano once again. And the pass. Wasay. Face. Oh, nag-gaily pa si Wasay. And Javier kicks out. Valencia draws. Oh, rejected by Mata. And here's Ginto. Ginto is slowly dribbling the ball. Bounce pass, here's Mata against Valencia. Hahatid. Na mag... Ooh. Open, Hipa, Lotte, rebound and a follow-up shot. Arquero. The long pass. Oliver. Passes to Puyot. Puyot will launch. Bang! 3 points. Puyot. Ginto. Ginto inside pass. Ball reject, stolen. And 2-on-2. The list. Bucket is good. After inbound for team Batak. Corner 3. Bang! Oliver 3. And high pass inside. Please. Yes, sir. Javier. To the middle. Puyot. Ginto. Ginto. Kicks to the middle. Pull up jumper. Mata. Bullseye. Mata from Ginto goes to the screen. Deep 3. Bang! Ginto face to against Valencia to Mendoza. Mendoza to Mata. Pull up jumper. Ginto. Bang! Once again, Ginto. And Arquero will bump. Goes inside the hook shot. In and out. And the long pass. Wasay. Easy to Wasay. Pakleb. Penetrate to the hoops. Oh, sumabit. Uy, sumabit sa ring. And Puyot spinning. Cebrano. Pass inside. Puyot pinasan ng kalaban. Valencia. And lumipad. Easy to. Pumasok pa. And this Brano pull up J. Buhaket. Congratulations, Team JPC X 20.